Hey guys, this is Lemrex again, back again with another video, just a quick one this time. If you guys have a Foodsaver and don't know how to use it or are unsure on how to use it, this is just a video clip on how you can actually get your best results out of it. We usually buy in bulk, so like meats and that kind of stuff, so we like to keep them since we have a freezer in our garage. Um, One quick suggestion before you start vacuum sealing anything is when you buy your meats or anything like that, put it in the freezer for about an hour, hour and a half before you actually start bagging them up, just in their original packaging. It helps out with the juices, or just it keeps it from being very mushy when you put it in a bag. Um, Sometimes we'll get like these pre-sealed bags, or pre-sized bags, should I say? But back to these guys, it's super easy to use. Um, when you open it up, if you have in your model, you usually will have some roll that you can custom cut to whatever you want. Right here with this little cutter. But essentially what you need to do is you'll need to put the open end into the drip tray right here, so that way when it's vacuuming up all the air, any juices that it collects, it'll just go straight to the drip tray, so that you don't have a mess. What you do is you close it up and then you will latch it closed. You'll see that it lights up and turns on. For meats and that kind of stuff, definitely use the second setting right here, which says moist, and then just hit vacuum. And what it's doing now, it's actually sealing, as you saw the light lit up. It's still keeping a vacuum on there, and then once it's completely done, you'll see both of the lights turn off. And there it goes. And technically, when you open it up, you should hear it release some pressure, like this one just did. And then you just unlock it. And there you go. It is sealed. Ready to go. So here's another one that we'll do. So same scenario. Make sure that the bag opening is inside the drip tray. Drop it down. Lock. Moist setting, and then vacuum. So we just wait for it to seal the bag. And as you can see, lights will turn off here, and that's it. So you just open it up and it should hear the pressure release. That's it.